Installing a new door can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and add a layer of security. If you're planning to install a door in Farmington Hills, Michigan, proper preparation is essential to ensure the process goes smoothly and the results meet your expectations. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you prepare your home for door installation. Choose the right door for your needs before any installation begins. Selecting the right door is key. Consider factors such as style, material, insulation, and security. In Farmington Hills, where winters can be cold and summers can be humid, energy efficiency is particularly important. Look for doors with high insulation ratings and weather-resistant materials like fiberglass, steel, or solid wood. Whether you're upgrading your front door, patio doors, or interior doors, choose a style that complements your home's design. Measure twice. Order once. Accurate measurements are crucial for a successful door installation. If you're replacing an old door, measure the height, width, and depth of the existing frame. For new installations, ensure the rough opening matches the door's dimensions. While many professional installers will handle measurements for you, having this information ahead of time helps you make informed choices and avoid costly mistakes. Schedule installation during favorable conditions. Farmington Hills experiences a variety of weather conditions throughout the year. Plan your installation for a time when the weather is stable to avoid complications. If you're installing an exterior door, aim for spring or early fall when temperatures are mild, and rain or snow is less likely to interfere. For interior doors, weather is less of a concern, but having good lighting and ventilation during installation is beneficial. Clear the area around the installation site before your installers arrive. Ensure the area around the door is clear and accessible. Remove furniture, rugs, or decorations near the doorway to prevent damage and provide a safe workspace. For exterior door installations, trim bushes or plants near the door and clear any outdoor obstacles like planters or bikes. This allows installers to move freely and reduces the risk of accidents. Prepare the inside of your home. Dust and debris are common during door installation, so take steps to protect your interior. Lay down drop cloths or plastic sheets to cover floors and nearby furniture. Seal off adjacent rooms with plastic sheeting to minimize the spread of dust. If possible, keep pets and children in a separate area to avoid distractions or safety concerns. Coordinate with your installer. Communication with your installer is vital to ensure the project runs smoothly. Share any specific concerns or preferences, such as keeping noise levels low or using eco-friendly sealants. If you're in Farmington Hills, consider working with local professionals who are familiar with the area's climate and building codes. They can guide you on the best door options and installation techniques for your home. Inspect the door and materials before installation. When your new door and materials arrive, inspect them for any damage or defects. Check for scratches, dents, or warping that could affect the door's performance or appearance. If anything looks amiss, notify your installer or supplier immediately to resolve the issue before installation begins. Understand the installation process while you don't need to be hands-on during the installation, it's helpful to understand the basic steps involved. Typically, the process includes removing the old door, if applicable, preparing the frame, installing the new door, and sealing it to prevent drafts. Knowing what to expect helps you anticipate any disruptions and ensures you're on the same page with your installer. Plan for cleanup. Once the installation is complete, there's usually some cleanup required. Installers often remove old doors and leftover materials, but confirm this service in advance. If you've covered floors or furniture, carefully remove the protective coverings to avoid spreading dust. Wipe down nearby surfaces to remove any remaining dirt or debris. Test and enjoy your new door. After the installation, test your new door to ensure it functions properly. Check that it opens and closes smoothly, seals tightly, and locks securely. If you notice any issues, notify your installer promptly to address them. Finally, enjoy the improved aesthetics, security, and energy efficiency your new door brings to your Farmington Hills home. Conclusion. Preparing your home for door installation in Farmington Hills doesn't have to be overwhelming. By taking the time to plan, communicate with your installer, and protect your space, you can ensure a seamless experience and a beautiful, functional result. Whether you're enhancing your home's exterior or upgrading an interior space, following these steps will set you up for success.